Hi, this is Artin Behdad, and in this presentation I'm gonna teach you how to recognize trends and counter trends very easily. You know, the knowledge of finding trends and counter trends is very important for every forex trader, no matter what is a strategy. Because this knowledge is basic. You should know what is the trend, because there are all the money in forex trading in trends. That's why it's very important. And I will talk about trends a lot in my videos. And in this video, I will teach you how to recognize trends and counter trends very easily. Okay, for this purpose, I use Alligator. Go insert indicators, Bill Williams and Alligator. This setup is correct. Just click on OK. Please pay attention. The rules here is trends go outside of alligator mouth and corrections go inside of alligator mouth. When I say corrections, I mean counter trend. I can change these two words interchangeably. Okay? So, trends outside of alligator mouth, corrections or counter trends inside of alligator mouth. What is alligator mouth? These three lines is alligator mouth. This is lip, this is teeth, this is jaw. Okay? Bill Williams called this alligator mouth. So, trends go outside, correction go inside. Trend outside, correction inside. Trend outside, please pay attention. In here, it's the end of this big movement and price wants to come back in another direction. So come back inside and makes another trend. Correction, trend, correction, trend, correction, trend. And you can see all the trends, price goes outside of alligator mouth, these three lines, and in all the corrections, price goes inside of alligator mouth. This is a very easy and quick way to recognize what is trends and what is counter trends. Okay? That's it. If you have any question, please write it down in a comment box. And I have